What if looking up a word didn't take 20 minutes? I have something that I'm working on that I'd like to show you. This is the Sound It Out tool. I want to make learning to read and Ge'ez easier. Not just because it'll make your parents happy, but because if you know how to read, it's much easier to learn new words by yourself. Let's take a look and see how this works before we get into an example of how to use it. Well, here's a word we all know, Selam. Here in the Sound It Out tool, you can see it in Tigrinya letters and Latin letters, plus audio for the full word, Selam. Scrolling down, you see which languages use the word, because we'll have Tigrinya and the other languages spoken in Eritrea and Tigray in here eventually. Some cultural notes. If it was a dialect word, I would have it here. More resources. We're going to use a short sentence from the bilingual storybooks that Tigrinya has on Amazon in a minute. And I think the biggest game changer here, at least that's what a few people that have had beta testing have told me, is having the audio here for each single letter. So Selam is 3 letters, so we have Se, La. That will help you if you already know the word and are trying to sound it out, or if you recognize a few of the fidelat in the word, but maybe you're just missing one. Now you've seen how it works, let's try it to see if it will help with an actual sentence. So this is the sentence we're working with. I'm not going to read it for you because that would be cheating. But as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words in this sentence. Doing it the old way, that would probably take more than an hour. There are tools that read the letters to you, that can translate the word, and that have audio, but they're not all in the same place. That's what the Sound It Out tool is trying to do. So now what I'm going to show you is how to take 5, 10, or 15 minutes with this sentence, whether you're a fluent Tigrinya speaker who doesn't read yet, or someone who's starting from the very beginning and doesn't know any vocabulary or how to read yet. The first 5 minutes, we're going to change this sentence from Tigrinya letters into English letters to read it at least. We won't know what it means. The next 5 minutes, if you're trying to take it that far, will be the definition of each of the words in English so you can build your vocabulary. And the last 5 minutes will be to sound out the fidelat in the word. It becomes code breaking and gets a little bit easier. So let's get started with our first 5-minute shift of trying to write this in English letters. Starting the timer for 5 minutes now. You can do this on more than one device, but I'm going to make it easy on myself and copy and paste each word. So if we search for the first word here, it shows us the word here, the spelling. We're not going to worry about reading it out loud yet. We're just going to write it down here. Next word. You got this word, copy and paste. Oops. Third word. Copy and paste. And just like that, not even 2 minutes in, we're already 3 words in. Keep going. Five words in now. Oops. There we go. Nearly there. And the last word, copy and pasting. There it is. Let's copy the Latinized and put it here. Now, we haven't even reached 5 minutes yet. Let's try and read it. Aboy Habasha EU. Ade Ka'a Afrikawit Amerikawit Iya. If you're a native speaker or someone who's fluent already but doesn't read, you know what this is. But you could go 2 steps deeper. Let's cover the first step to dive deeper in the next 5 minutes. I'd love to hear your comments and questions no matter what platform you're on. I want to hear what you think because I'll apply that feedback for the next episode in 2 weeks. Until then, Bruk ma'alti. Oh yeah, P.S. If you want to have something to practice your Tigrinya with and read a nice short story, this sentence is from Tigrinlish Volume 1. Love served with injera. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, now bye for real. Ciao!